How to boost FPS with Exitlag. So if you go to Exitlag and then you click on how it works, and then we go to the step-by-step tutorial, we can see that you're gonna have to create your Exitlag account, then simply download the software, and then you're gonna have to choose your game that you want to basically boost the FPS for, and then you're gonna get a performance booster. So as you can see here, you have your library, then you can choose your servers. As you can see here, you have Counter-Strike 2, and then basically you're gonna be able to play it and get some FPS boosts. So basically that's all you have to do. If you go to pricing, we can see that they have different price plans. So you have the monthly one, quarterly, and annual, and as you can see here, the different prices. So basically that's all for today's video, guys. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.